What's up?
Hey.
Hola, hey-hoo.
Hi.
Hi. What's up? What's up? What's up? No, I'm kidding. Do you like my phone? Has the thing on the back, and it goes like that, and it goes like that.
You have to do
Pizza. My name is Krista. My name's Crystal.
And I'm Millie.
And we're all just like you.
Hi.
My name's Crystal.
And I'm Millie.
And we're
Hi.
people who like people.
And we like to eat people.
And we like to hang out with people.
Like right now, we're with people.
But we like to look through people's.
I could see your brain from here.
I meant peepholes. Peepholes. Not peoples, peepholes. Peepholes.
Peepholes.
Like a little people. Like you go like this and then you put a thing and then there's a little thing. But there's a little tiny hole.
Hello, I'm your grandma.
Let me see.
Those are blurry.
Hold on, I have to get my glasses on
You
because
should
I'm
put them on the camera and see how blurry they are.
Yeah. Hey people! So people, if anyone who's watching this and need glasses, you can take it off now because we're putting the glasses onto here. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey.
Let me see your phone. Put some music on. So we can have a dance party.
Dance party! Let's see what we can rock to. Yeah.
Crap, I forgot my iPod.
Crap! She forgot her iPod!
No way.
Hold on. Let's do MG or Hello Good Morning, or do you like any of those?
Hamster dance song.
Okay.
Don't post this. Okay then.
Here we go.
No, break the chair next time.
Hold on. Hello. Good morning.
When your spirit is floating down.
Leave it. Hi, I'm him. Hair hang low right under my gram. Sorry.
Hi, Nick Pizza here. I just want to know why I should drop off these pizzas. I'm not sure. I can't quite find your house. Was it a road or was it a street? What exactly was it?
I think you have the wrong number.
Look, you ordered about 20 pizzas and 3 Cokes as well as 2 Sprites, so I'm just here to drop them off for whatever party or occasion. No, excuse me, whatever party occasion you're having. So I just need your house address or wherever you live so I can deliver these and get back to work. Hello?
Hi, I was just calling because I live down the street from you and your daughter come to my house today and she kicked my dog.
This is Deja
I'll be like, this is Kirpal. Kirpal?
Oh yeah, I have this app on my phone.
Just come to my house.
It's called Prank Dial, and I can just put in a number and like there's different like situations and it'll like send it to that, and then you can hear it. It's so funny. Let's do it to your mom or you,
Why did you do it? Looking at?
or to your brother.
You're
They'll think it's
not
funny.
stupid.
Okay.
Okay. No! Hold on, people.
I'm going to call my freaking brother, and you cannot hear the number.
Why? Oh no. What? Their servers are temporarily down. Aww. But hold on, I'll keep trying. Don't worry, peoples. I'll get you some prank dials. Prank dial. Work! No! Prank dials
Here,
won't work.
let's just do it. Old school. Star 6, 7. Hey, wait. I
Old school, baby. What you doing with your hips? Swing on.
Wait.
Uh-oh.
Here, call a number.
Ew, there's gum in here.
That's yours.
That was yours. That one's mine. Wait, hold on.
Wait, that's mine.
No!
Oh.
No, that's not how you do it.
Bless you.
No, that's you. That's you.
Star 6. 505.
Hey, this is old school. Turn it up. Turn it up on speaker. Don't let him show the number.
Hey, reached Isaac. Leave your name and a message and I'll call you back.
We're gonna leave a message. A message.
message. When you have finished recording, you may hang
Let's not leave a message.
Okay, call your other brother.
Okay, bye.
Okay, what's your other brother's?
5. No, I will do it. It's on speaker. Okay, I want to hold it.
Why? No, okay, other brother. She's gonna call her third brother.
No. I'm calling this dude named Sicko.
You're calling Sicko?
Okay.
What was that?
Turn on.
Turn on, what are you doing? No, you're gonna mess up my phone.
I know how to work it.
Do-da-dee-dee-doo.
If anybody wants to call him, this is his number. Where'd you go? 942.
Please leave your message for
Sicko Wheeler.
9209423. Sorry, that voicemail box is full. Please call again later.
Oh, I will.
Hold on. Let's call your brother.
True, his
again.
sister might answer.
Do you know her number?
Mm-mm.
What's his number? 505
I'm calling a different
920 920